Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us how to simplify these exponents easily. Solution. We have x raised to power 3 over cube root of x can also be written as x raised to power 1 over 3. This is cube root of x, and then we have raised to power 2 multiplied by square root of x raised to power 4 can also be written as x raised to power 4 multiply by power 1 over 2. Right, so the same thing as the square root of x raised to power 4. And then here we're going to multiply the powers. All right, this 3 times this 2 and also 1 over 3 times this 2. So we have 3 times 2 will give us 6. So we have x raised to power 6 over 1 over 3 times 2 will give us 2 over 3. All right, multiply by here now 2 here 1, 2 in 4 is 2, so we have that as x squared. And now one of the laws of exponents says that if you have a raised to power x over a raised to power y, it will give you a raised to power x minus y. All right, so and that is what we are applying here. So this becomes x raised to power 6 minus 2 over 3 multiplied by we have x raised to power 2. Now, what is 6 minus 2 over 3? You can do that here. 6 over 1 minus 2 over 3. The LCM will be 3. And then this multiplied by this. 6 times 3 will give 18 minus this multiplied by this. That will give 2. So we have 18 minus 2, and that is 16 over 3. So 6 minus 2 over 3 is the same thing as 16 over 3 multiplied by x raised to power 2. Another law of exponents says that if you have a raised to power x multiplied by a raised to power y, it becomes a raised to power x plus y. Right, so we're going to apply that here now. So we're going to add the powers. We have 16 over 3 plus 2 over 1. Okay, so what is 16 over 3 plus 2 over 1? Let's quickly do that here. The SN will be 3 times 1, which is 3. Multiply this by this, 16. Multiply this by this. 3 times 2 will give us 6. Right, 16 plus 6 will give us 22. So it means this becomes x raised to power 22 over 3. Right, so this is the final answer. We can also express that as the cube root of x raised to power 22 because, all right, so this also becomes cube root of x raised to power 22. All right, so this is the final answer, cube root of x raised to power 22. All right, so let us try this. Let me give you a similar question to try. Let's try this. So let's simplify cube root of x raised to power 4 multiplied by square root of x raised to power 2. Okay, all right, so let's try this and drop our answers in the comment section. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please and please do subscribe. See you next time.